So we ended up with this knife, and what we want to do is creating this wooden block right there. But before we're going to do that, we're going to finish the knife right here. You can see these circles. We tried to create a hole in it, but it doesn't look really good. But yeah, it was pretty easy. Just creating a cylinder. Ignore that sound. This is my phone. And you put it right there and scale it up, and you get something like this, and that looks fine. That's good. So same for that one. Scale that till it hits the ground. And that's enough. So we're just duplicating this, and we have to watch till if it's good. It's popping out a little bit, but yeah. What we also can do is make it a bit smaller. No, I'll leave it. This won't bother me really. Same for that one. Put it right there. And the reason I really wanted to make this good is get some really nice effect. So if we make this metal, not material, metal, right? Same for that one. We'll have to join them next time. Oh, there we go. Metal, right? And selecting these, so not change anything. Well, we're not going to change the nodes. So if we hit render, the shoot looks a bit weird because we did not UV map them. So selecting them and remove that one. Control J, Control J again. Project from view. So now it should looks better. Yes, like how a knife should looks like. Okay, next part is going to this one. So we want this part. Okay, we go back. This one, we can close this 3D viewport, and I'm going to this. No, we're not. Maybe we need it. Yeah, this one. Open it in the background, so we have a reference of what we want to create. Okay, when we start with a cube, so it has some curvy stuff, and that's what we also want to make. So extruding this, putting it upwards, and then this is like something like this, and we can tweak this, of course. Should look a bit smaller, less stretched. So I think this looks okay, and it's not really exactly the right measurement, but yeah, we can always create a cube or rotate that. Something like this, and you can feel if it is good. So yeah, you can see you can just a little bit upwards. Anyway, yeah, we leave it like this, selecting everything, take it in the middle, Control B, and we want some nice curves, and that's good. T, smooth it, and we want this over there, so we create another one, cube, and this has a very sharp corner, so we bring this right there. Is this like so? And we should bring come on, this is over there, so we can tilt this up a little bit like this. And are we done? Almost. We put it right there, so we can put it right. So I think if we go to this view, make it smaller a little bit. It's a little bit too big, so something like this. Go back to this view, size this a little bit, and we go to this view and Control B, and we have some nice smooth edges. Well, maybe a bit more. Control B. Come on, what is this? Yes, and smooth. So for me it looks acceptable. So getting straight on there, you can put knives in here and over there. So we grab the knife, save, and small, make it smaller. Rotate it and put it in like this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 knives. How it looks here. I think we can put, yeah. And don't just do this. I'd like to make that a bit like curve, rotate it a little bit. So like this. It's good for reflections. So they are not totally the same. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can see we have some smaller ones. And oh yeah, we have to select everything. I want to put them a bit downwards, like this, and that one. So okay, it's good. We take this one and we go to this view and we make it a bit smaller, a bit thicker. So we have a different knife. It's a very little tweak, but you can see difference. So kaboom, drop it in like so. Now we need to put it right there. We have 1, 2, 3 knives. Is it really that small? I think it's a bit bigger, like this. All right, yeah, it's still getting good. Shift D, or you can do Alt D if you want. You're not gonna change any textures. Oh. Pretty good. All right. So 1, 2, 3, and we have a lot of small knives over there. Oh, we used that knife. So, well, never mind. We go to this view and rotate it and make it smaller. And I like it like this. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 knives. Rotate it. Alt D. One more time. Another time. Doesn't need to be exactly 8 if you think 7 works. Oh. Alt D works good. Well, why not? Alt D. Now we have 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7. 7 is good. Never mind. Nobody have seen this picture, so good. Right. Next part is texturing this one. So we select everything and smart UV projection. Okay. We hide this bar and the other one, so we can go to this view and we go to the UV image editor. So, and we need to load an image. We don't want scratches on the wood, or maybe a couple of. We want oak wood, same as the table, and go to the material. Oh no, we don't want render. We want material. So this side, well, it already looks good, but we need to do a lot more. So there we go. like this, and scale that something like so. Okay, and then we need the crazy people outside here. Oh yeah, this is the small one over there, so we rotate it. So you can see there's not really a nice transition. So let me take a look. It's getting there. This is the totally different side. Something like, I don't know. Where does this end? So we have that one over here. Oh, no, I understand why this is acting like so. We need this one. Yes, exactly. So first bring them there. Put the one, oops, over here. Yes. And now we have to fit this one, or just on top of that one. No. Or we need to rotate. Yes, I think this will work. So a little bit bigger. Alright, so now it's, well, there's some line, but you won't really see it. I think this works. We have the side and that one. You're not gonna see down this and that, so ignore it. And this one, you smart UV projection. Okay. Remove that one. Same for these. Okay. Doesn't need to be really big, because the thing is smaller. Oh. Image open. Oakwood. Oakwood. Alright. Cool. Yeah. So if you put it right there, it's done. So you're not gonna spend any time on it. Because if you want a different viewport, you know now how to fit them, how to make that looks good. So I'm saving this file, and we're gonna put this somewhere we like. Solid mode, M1. It's a giant thing right now. So I think this looks believable. I think in this image I put it right there, so let's do the same. One, two, three, four. Okay. It's really massive. Okay. Was this thing so massive? Well, it's a bit smaller, but never mind. Okay. Remove this window. 3D. This viewport, yeah, it's giant. Sometimes you need to look better. Okay. And just for fun, grab a knife with all the objects. Right, and put one on the table. There we go. Besides that, like there, so I hope to catch some nice reflections on that one, just to make it more realistic. So there we go. Yes, okay, that's fine. Saving the work, and what do we have left? So we created almost everything. Yeah, so we're done. No, we're not done. We have to make some final render, and we do that in the next part. So see you